Are you ready to make your text come alive with the power of a dragon? In this tutorial, we will learn how to create 5 epic text animations from Canva and mind-blowing effects from CapCut that will make your content stand out like never before. Ready? Let's go. First, we will upload video and images of our dragon in Canva. Now let's add in our text. Click on the text icon on the left sidebar. Click on Add a subheading. Add in Blaze like a dragon's fiery breath. Choose a bold font, Archivo Black, to match the mood and set the font size to 48. Go to the Effect button and select Neon. You can play around the intensity to see the effect. Select red color for the text. Now we will do the animation of the text. Go to the Animate button at the top. On the left side, select Text, followed by Spread from the options. Adjust scale according. Click on Both button. This will give your text a vibrant, glowing effect, perfect for adding that fiery dragon intensity. Now we will do Scene 2, the wipe animation for a smooth, dramatic entrance. We are going to create 2 text boxes in this scene. Text box 1, we input slice through the darkness like. Text box 2, we input a dragon's tail. Reason for using 2 text box is we can control the timing of the appearance of the text later. Select the 2 text box. Select bold font, Archivo Black. Set the font size to 56. Change the color to blue. Click on Effect button and select Neon. With your text selected, click on the Animate button again. And choose Wipe. You'll see your text slide in, as if it's slicing through the darkness just like our dragon. Adjust the direction, left, right, up or down, based on how you want the effect to appear. You notice that the 2 texts appear at the same time. To make them appear one at a time, right-click and select Show Timing. Here you can control when you want which text to appear. Look at the result. Scene 3, Bounce animation. Select font, Alpha Slab 1, and size 79 for the text. Click on the Effect button and select Hollow. Change the font color to orange. Go back to Animate and pick Bounce. This effect is perfect when you need to give your words an extra jump, just like a dragon taking off into the sky. Adjust the speed to match the vibe you want. Slow for subtle emphasis or fast for extra excitement. Scene 4, Stomp animation. This effect is great when you want to make your text hit hard, like a dragon's powerful roar. Select font, Alpha Slab 1, select 70 for font size, change the font color to red. Go to Effect and select Lift. Go back to Animate and choose Stomp. It slams your text onto the screen, ensuring your message leaves a lasting impact. Now we are at the last scene, Baseline animation. Select the font as Archivo Black and font size 76. change the color to black. For effect, choose Glitch. Click on Offset and Direction to adjust these settings according. Click on Animate and pick Baseline. This animation gently raises your text, perfect for when you want a clean, professional look. Just like a dragon lifting off into the sky. It's simple, but visually captivating. And there you have it, 5 powerful text animations in Canva that you can easily use to create stunning visuals. Let's dive into the effects function in CapCut and see how it can transform your visuals. Import and drag your video onto the timeline. Click on Effect. Under Video Effect, click on Spark and look for Spark Effect and click on it. Here you are able to see the preview. Simply drag the effect to scene 1 and it will automatically apply the effect to the scene. On the right side, adjust the atmosphere and the speed to get your desired result. You can see that the dragon comes to life, bursting with energy from this effect. Now we will continue to add effect to the rest of the scenes. For scene 2, under Video Effect, click on Light Effect and look for Pool Reflection and click on it to see the preview. On the right side, you can adjust the setting according to get the result that you want. Do the same for the rest of the 3 scenes. For scene 3, click on Nature and look for Fire Effect. For scene 4, we use Lightning Crack under Nature. On the right side, adjust the atmosphere and the speed to get your desired result. Last scene, select Spectrum Scan under Scan. On the right side, adjust the atmosphere and the speed to get your desired result. Thanks for watching. We've come to the end of our dragon's journey. We hope you enjoyed seeing how powerful animations can bring a dragon to life. If you're ready to unleash your own creativity, don't forget to apply these effects to your projects. Let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.